So everything you're gonna hear today is straight from the heart, shot from the hip, from the gut. We're gonna start with the obvious. Marketing has always been about exposure, right? 3 years ago, I used to say that digital marketing was the future of marketing. That was 3 years ago. Guys, now it's today. It's now, it's right now.
If you're not online, in the trenches, putting up the video, engaging, putting up the content, you're not part of the conversation, and you can't change the narrative. It's being written for you.
Because the value of your business is not just based on your profits. It's based on your reputation. It's based on how many people actually enjoy picking up the phone and calling you.
People want to rally around something they believe in. I think the brands that get closest to the customer at the end is going to win.
Once you can prioritize this and understand that this is real business today in 2021, you'll be in a much better spot. Once you quantify, you can justify. Once you start seeing that ROI, you're going to say to yourself, why didn't I listen to these guys sooner?